Okay everybody, T5 xc60 inscription front door handle removal. There's a little cover right here you pop off. It's a T25 Torx. What you do is you hold the handle out like this, loosen the Torx, and as you're loosening it, you could feel it will hold the handle out like this. Alright, you just keep loosening it until it starts to feel like it's getting very loose. Don't go all the way with it. And what you do is just come under here with this, slide this out, like so, like that. Loosen it up a tiny bit further, and the door handle's out. And that's how you do it. Thanks for watching.